Hi friends, this video shows how to do hard reset or factory reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select this settings icon, select device preferences, then go down, select security, select reset, select this reset option, then select reset again. Please read this message. This will erase all data from your device internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, and downloaded apps. So you should be careful. This operation would delete all data from your device. If your device is very slow, or if you are thinking your device has some virus, then you can try this reset and recover your device. Select reset, then set erase everything. Please careful, this would delete everything. If you are okay, then you can select erase everything and reset your device. Please check it.